First time palang nagsama sa isang teleserye ang mag-best friend forever na sina Paulo Avellino and Jake Cuenca. Matagal na silang friends pero ngayon lang nga sila nagkatrabaho. We've always been wondering, why don't they put us in a project together? So parang ang galing kasi the show is, certainly. Parang it's not the typical things that me and Paulo do. It's not a drama or it's not action. So, parang ano? It was somewhat like level pegging. Parang we help each other to the sequences so for me, I had a lot of fun, pahayag ni Jake pero umamin na ninerbiyos siya rito sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim dahil alam niyang mahusay na aktor ang kanyang kaibigan. Walking to the sequences or walking to the set. I got nervous kasi I'm acting with my best friend and I know how good he is. Chika pa ni Jake sa ginanap na Mediacon ng Pinoy adaptation ng hit Korean drama na ganun din ang title. Ganun din naman si Paulo, super puri sa kanyang kaibigan na aniya ay napaka-professional at isang magaling na aktor. The nice thing about Jake is he's very professional and he's always straight to the point with his character. He knows his character well, so it's just like a switch of a light switch. He can turn it on and off. So, there was no problem. It's actually an honor that I got to work with Jake for a longer time, hirit ng lead actor sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim na pinagbibidahan ni Kim Chu. Anyway, magkapatid ang role ni na Paulo at Jake sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim na magiging magkaribal kay Secretary Kim Chu.